So if you're an early riser like myself, you're going to see plenty of clarity throughout the morning periods, and we'll look forward to some slightly warmer conditions.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Of that marine layer, and that includes the San Gabriel Valley, where we'll see 96 for Thursday and Friday afternoon, 95 Saturday, 93 on Sunday, then back into the 80s from Monday through Wednesday. Back to you guys.
All right. Not sure how much of that our viewers heard there, Kai, but